In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track overdue tasks automatically. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a project view that clearly shows which tasks are late, without you having to manually check each one. Let's start inside your workspace. First, open the specific project where you want to track overdue tasks. This could be any project where due dates really matter, like client work, product development, or an internal team initiative. Choosing the right project is important because the settings we're about to adjust will apply to that particular project view. Make sure the project you select is the one your team actually uses day to day, so everyone benefits from the automation. Once your project is open, look towards the upper right-hand corner of your screen for the small gear icon. This gear icon typically represents settings or configuration options. Click on it to open the project settings for this view. Think of this panel as the control center for how your tasks are displayed and which fields are visible. If you don't see the gear right away, try expanding your window or checking that you're in a detailed project view rather than a simplified one. With the settings panel open, the goal is to ensure that the date fields used to calculate overdue tasks are properly enabled. Start by locating the option for the start date. Click on Start Date to make sure it's turned on or selected for this project view. The start date helps you understand when work on a task is supposed to begin. Even though overdue status is typically based on the end or due date, having a visible start date gives you extra context. You can see not just that a task is late, but also when it should have been in progress. Next, do the same thing for the end date. Find the end date option in the settings panel and click on it to enable or display it for your tasks. The end date is crucial because this is what the system uses to determine whether a task is overdue. Once this field is active and populated for your tasks, the platform can automatically compare today's date with the end date and flag anything that's past due. After enabling both start date and end date, close the settings panel